See, Manchester United, this Western ground is a difficult ground, very difficult ground to come when it comes to Manchester United West Ham. The last time West Ham lose to Manchester United, it is their home, was 2021. My previous video, I said this before, it's not going to be easy. Michael Carrick would have won straight 5-match win, but West Ham stopped them. If not for the goal Sesko score in the 90th minute to level up the game, Mayu have already lost this match. So, Mayu still remain their place in the top 4. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Then me and you, we go. I'll see you again.